Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in making Kutsinta. Let's do it! Here are the ingredients. We have fresh coconut, 1.5 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1 cup of rice flour, and we have also the live water, and 3 cups of water. We're gonna mix the dry ingredients first, which I'm gonna show you, and we will put the wet ingredients later. Now we have our mixing bowl here. We'll put our all-purpose flour, the rice flour, or the mochiko, they call it mochiko, and our brown sugar. So we'll just mix it real good, and then we're gonna put water a little bit later. So continue mixing it like this before we put the water and the live water. Okay. Now we're done mixing the sugar and flour. Now we put all the water and we mix it with the flour, and we mix it real good, real well. Now I forgot to show a while ago the annatto powder here. This will add color to our kutsinta. We call this annatto powder or atsuete, and we'll mix it with our flour here. All right. See, it changes its color, and this will make our kutsinta like brownish reddish color. And now the next step is we have to add live water on the mixture here, and we will add just 3 teaspoons of live water. There you go. Okay, and then we're gonna mix it well, and then we're gonna strain this. We're gonna put in a strainer so you can get the lumps if there is, or if there are. All right. Now we will strain it to get rid of possible lumps. There you go. All right. Now we're gonna put our mold here. Okay. All right. steam this for 15 minutes. And after that, should be done. Now this is ready for steaming. We're gonna get our steamer and we're gonna steam this for 15 minutes. There you go. This is our steamer and I stacked them on top of each other. So we're gonna steam this for 15 minutes. Here is the finished product, Kutsinta. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thank you and have a nice day.